May profits be upon you. Hey, uh, this is the morning scan, and I want to share it with you. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. All right. In Lions Den FX, this is what I put in the chat last night. Let's see. Boom. Right. And I was looking at this. All right. This is a GBPUSD, and I said there's a zone. I think there's a 4 hour zone that or daily zone that prices come into contact with. I'm looking for a reversal here, quite possibly up to, see this inverted hammer here. I'd like that this area to be retouched and then continue bearishness. Maybe it gets up here. Maybe it gets up here, but I'll see how that wick ends there. You know, there's some kind of support here. All right, and it's some kind of a zone here, and I like the fact that it's kind of defined by this bearish engulfing candle here where it closes, and over here. So I like this area to be touched again for a continuation to the downside, you know. Well, that's what I put in last night. Now, today, what are we looking at? Let's get this thing right. All right, price went deep into that zone, right? Deep, but did not violate it, right? And this current 4-hour candle is, let me make it bigger so you can see it, may close in an hour and 38 minutes, may close as an engulfer, all right? But there's some good stuff going on in there. I'd like to catch this candle on the way up, to be honest with you, because this is a counter trend trade. I don't particularly care for counter trend trades, but I think there's a strong possibility if we get confirmation with this push down, pull back, lower low, break the pullback high, and then a return to impulse. That's what I'm looking for on the lower time frames. Let's go to the 15. Can we see something on the 15? And it looks like that is what's forming. That's why I have these lines here. All right, we have a push down, right? A pullback, the lower low. We break that pullback high here. All right, that is for me a strong chalk. Yeah, there was a chalk, a change of character. We call it, they nicknamed it chalk. There was a change of character here. All right, but I like this one better because it's just a stronger one for me. And if it breaks this high here, then we know that is I'll look at it as a break of structure, and that would be the confirmation for me. All right, but this is a pretty strong change of character here. I believe it's going to change character here and come back up around this area. All right, now look, this is the area I was talking about. Right around here, see how price, it's the old support turn resistance. This zone here is attractive to me because you see a lot of interaction by price in this zone. All right, once it breaks it at support, comes back, bumps it as resistance, then comes back, support. There's some things going on at this level, and if price comes back up here, I'm looking for it to quite possibly do its thing. It may start here. That's why I have this this line here. This is the break of structure to the downside, and price likes to retest those areas. You know what I mean? So I want to see what happens there. I love the fact that it broke here and then it came back and retested, right? So, and there is a zone right there, you know, a supply zone right here, right? So let's make that the right color. All right, so if price comes all the way back up here during the New York session, that would be awesome. So what am I looking for? Again, we're getting what I'm looking for initially, the early indication. A push down, a pullback, a lower low made, a break higher than the pullback, that previous high, and a return to impulse. Somewhere in this impulsive move to the upside, we're going to see price find that order block and push up. I have this whole area, the range of this last down candle. All right. I mean, this from the bottom of this bullish candle to this what do you call it? This down candle here, where it begins the selling before the buying, the aggressive buying. So I'm watching this price action. I'm looking for bullish price action once it gets down here. That's why I have that line here. Once it gets into this zone, I'm looking for a turnaround. All right. I don't want to share that with you. I'm hoping I can get this out in time. Be careful with your trading. This is a counter trend trade, not the highest probability trades, but when you get confirmations that price is demonstrating that it wants to go higher, you know, it's not looking bad at all. All right. On the 15-minute, I'm going to go down to the 1 minute and see if I can get a good entry. All right. So I don't want to waste any more time. I want you to look for it as it's working out now, because it's about to hit that point to say, hey, it's time to get busy. All right. I'll see you in a little bit.